Sa likod ng cake.
Mga titas.
At titas, pakiayos naman yung mga bata.
Iba dito. Pakiayos ang titas.
Huwag sa harap ng cake, sa gilid.
Doon kayo sa doon sabi kayo kay Ricardo.
Okay lang dyan, okay lang.
Yan, okay.
Someone should light the cake.
Iba dito sa kabila. Dito kami.
May dito kayo.
Eh, yung iba dito sa kabila. Okay. Lapit naman kayo para sama sa video.
Asan sila?
Hindi naman.
Kay.
Okay, ready? Charlotte, are you ready? Are you ready to blow with the candle? Wow.
Kaya wala ka doon. Sino gusto doon? Lighter.
Isa pa. Clarence, lipat ka sa kabila.
Lighter na saan? Lighter.
Sabi.
Dito ka, hoy. Dito ka. Hoy, Nina ka. Dito ka.
Nicole.
Lighter.
Lighter, pahiram naman ang lighter.
Para makita ni Charlotte. Nicole, dito ka, Nicole, oh. Tabi nila. Kay Shelly ka. Gabi. Wala naman yung Clarence. Dito ka sa may ganito.
Asa na? Lighter, please.
Wag muna.
Wag hawakan yung cake muna. We will sing. Wag naman bahin.
Ayun.
Okay. Wait, we're waiting for the candle. Paano yung hihipan yan? Layo niya.
Paano ang hipan niya? Layo niya.
Sige. Kanta muna. Okay, ready? Everyone, wait. Oh, clap tayo para masaya while singing, okay?
Uy, doon kayong dalawa. Kayo dalawa. Ayan na, nagpipicture na kayong walang.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Again. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Mas mabilis. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Mabagal. Happy birthday, Charlotte. Happy birthday, Charlotte. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday, Charlotte. Happy birthday, Charlotte. Happy birthday, Charlotte. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday, Charlotte. Yay! Blow your candle. Sino blow your candle daw? Hindi abot. Abot niya yan. Sige, Ford. Blow. Go! How old are you, Charlotte? How old are you? How old are you now? 3. Wow. What is your birthday? Very good. Okay.
What can you say to your guest?
Oh, what did you say to your guest? Wait.
Microphone, please.
Excuse me. Ay, teka yung video ko. Hawak.
What can you tell your guest?
Puno na yung kinukuha ko. Okay, what did you say to your guest, Charlotte?
Thank you for coming my birthday. I'm happy. Very happy. Very happy.
I hope you all enjoy.
I am hurt.
I hope.
I hope you all had fun.
Let's all have fun.
Enjoy the fun.
Enjoy the party.
Enjoy party.
So you can go back to swimming. We still have a lot of food. We're here until 6. Tama ba yan? Oo nga, alauna. So may 5 oras pa kayo. Go! Alright, huwag mo lang gamitin yung cake ha. We're going to... Ay, hindi kumain. Akala niya gubat ka lang. Okay, go back to swimming. May spaghetti tayo. And later, yes. Later we have barbecue, okay? Fish and meat. For the carnivore. Okay.
How can I stop this? How can I stop this?